Defi racer gauge. Got some hoses, got the bits and pieces, and hopefully it's a pretty quick install. Doesn't seem too hard. Cut this hose, put in the splice joint. Need to find a mounting point and run the cable somewhere. Haven't figured that out yet, but we'll get to it. Okay, so I found a bolt right there, and looks like it's going to be a perfect fit. So we're going to go ahead and mount it in there and then run our lines over. Okay, so I'm going to route the vacuum line down through here and bring it around under. Tie wrap it right there, so it'll come out right here. Sit nice and neat. And then I will cut in the other piece right there and just run a small piece over, and should look real good. installed a pedal box the other day. I didn't do a video on it. Basically, all it does is go down, and the connector right up there on top of the throttle, and it just plugs in right there. And it does make pretty good difference. The throttle response is really different. The settings, a lot of different settings on it, 3 different modes, then plus and minus of those modes. Pretty good little box, pretty fun. Okay, so I've got the wire run, comes out that hole, fastened it up here, put a little clip there, connector's tucked under there, wires run down underneath, valves over here, secure, and everything's run. So now on to the inside. Got the wires run up through here from underneath. I think the best position for the gauge for me, I'm going to put it right there. I think it'll be perfect there. Tuck the wires down, and then just got to do the wiring underneath. Okay, gauge all installed for startup. That's the boost with the DTUK turned off. I'm going to turn the DTUK on, put it in map 3, and then we'll do a pull. Map 1 clearly has a higher boost. We hit about 1.6. So right now I'm in map 2. Got the pedal box on setting 2. Pedal box, you can just feel the throttle response is so touchy. Not even in the Sport Plus mode. Okay, map 2, pedal box setting 2, and let's get in a straight. See, you get a little higher boost pressure with the other maps. I'm going to put it back in map 3. couple of the maps on the DTUK. You can see the higher boost levels. It definitely pulls harder, and having the pedal box